Welcome to our channel Learning Fun Zone. I'm your host Harshda. Get ready to start on exciting learning adventures with us. In today's episode, we are diving into an incredible journey of discovery. So, without further ado, let's get started. Today, we have a heartfelt project lined up just for you. Ready to celebrate our amazing teachers? Let's jump right in. Today, we are celebrating Teachers' Day with a special project. We will have three wonderful backdrops, each telling a part of our story. And guess what? One of them is the heartfelt poem dedicated to our teachers. Let's see how it works now. Awesome, isn't it? Challenge is to create this wonderful tribute and make sure our poem looks as beautiful as it sounds. We will use Scratch to bring it to life. It's all about showing our teachers how much we appreciate them. Let's get started. I'm on the Scratch website. I will click on Create. One thing is that we can go to Canva and we can create the backdrops which I have already taken. So I can show you the backdrops I have added. Adding the backdrops, poem, Teachers' Day, and another one is Thank You Teacher. So these are some templates which I have taken from Canva and added one poem. You can add your own messages over here. I will just add some other color. Now I will just fill this color. Okay, now this looks good. We'll delete the default sprite now. Let's keep this project simple and let's start it with the coding now. Let us add from the events when green flag is clicked. We will add some sound. Start the project. I have downloaded some music, royalty free music. I will add from music and make it louder or we can make it softer. Looks nice. Change it to. Now we will have to switch the backdrop to the second one. Rename it to 1, 2, 3. Okay, so these are the three backdrops. So for starting the project, we want the first backdrop. So let us go to looks. We will switch the backdrop to 1. Okay. And let us go to control now. We will add wait for those 3 seconds. We'll add wait for 3 seconds. Okay. Now let us go and again switch the backdrop to the second one. And let us add wait for. We will keep it for 5 seconds because it is a poem. We want it that the teacher should read it, right? So we will just for a longer time. And let us again switch the backdrop to for another 3 seconds. That's it. Now let's try to run it. Are you excited to create this heartwarming tribute? Just click in the description to begin your creative journey. And you have just created this and you can share it with your teachers to make their day extra special. Imagine their smiles when they see this beautiful poem and your personal touches in this greeting card. So do try this and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Learning Fun Zone and hit the bell icon to stay updated with creative adventures. So let's celebrate Teachers Day together and thank you for joining us, young creators. Remember, expressing gratitude is a wonderful way to spread positivity and appreciation. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and keep celebrating incredible teachers who guide us every day. And goodbye for now.